Good morning, Donald. I'll try to help you how you can export your codes to Excel with this recording. So you see that I have 4 documents here. This is my part of my study, and I have codes there. And I coded those documents. Like in this document 1, I have 37 codes. Document 2, I have 40 codes. Document 3 and 4 is not coded, but I do have some sort of code structure there. It's not done yet, but there is coding there. So I'm going to export it into an Excel. So if you go to Import Export button on Atlas TI and click on it, you can see the code book, and click on the code book and click on Export Excel. Now here, this part is tricky. You need to choose the folder that you would like to export this code book. So click the folder and it will take you to your data system or directory system of your computer. So I want to, let's say, put it on my desktop, and I'm going to call it the same name as it's been named, but you can change the name here. As you see, I shared this textbook coding with Dr. Fries. That's why I'm going to keep it as same. So I'm going to say save. And then I can say that open code list in Excel also. Let's see what's going to happen. So you see it's there. So now you can play with the columns. For instance, what I can do here, wrap the text, I guess. Let me see. It was alignment. Yeah, let's say wrap the text. So I can do some adjustments, and you can play with the Excel here. I hope it helps. See you in class today. If it's not helping, just email me again. All right, bye.